Welcome back to another MA Track Battles here at Blyton Park, the home of the MA Track Battles. Today I have Big Lee Stevens with me because there's a Ford involved. And he's going to be following that one and choosing that one, obviously.
100%, mate.
And I've got one of my French wonder kids, which I absolutely love. So today is old versus newish track cars with a little bit of a twist. They are similar horsepower. This one is a Cosy-powered rear-wheel drive Fiesta versus a near-on 300 brake horsepower Renault Megane. Well, we're going to have to find out what happens with it.
It's twitchy, mate, yeah, especially when we're going rear-wheel drive conversion in this small car. This is running about 330, something like that. But you've got rear-wheel steer, small as it is.
And it's all
totally
different capability, isn't
yeah,
it?
Totally different.
Anyway, so today we are using, obviously, V-Box or RACELOGIC boxes, where we're going to be using the V-Box, where they, in the practice runs, where they can actually get a bit of visibility about what they're doing on track. But then once they come out and go out for the track battles, the sports go in, so they have no idea of the times. So I think it's going to be a fun one. But let's go and meet the drivers and see what they're actually doing.
Good to me.
Right, so I am with Will from Regplateking as well. There you go. Shout out, sponsor. Discount below. He's bought his Renault Megane. Is it 275, isn't it?
RS275, yeah.
RS275, you're facing maybe 300 odd. But I trust these cars, and I know these cars. So I know that they're more than capable than some. Maybe the rear-wheel drive being, as you can see, a little bit moist. What do you think your chances are up against a Fiesta Cosy? Also, you haven't done many track days, as I know.
I'll give it a good go.
Oh, that's the thing, isn't it? Give it a go. You don't know until it's given a go. But other than that, obviously, it's running about 275.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you've done to it apart from wheels, tyres and brakes?
Exhaust, res delete, yeah, tyres, NS2Rs, better brake pads. Pretty much about it.
So basically, it's still they're track ready anyway, so it should be fine just going out on the track as it is.
Yep.
Brilliant. So we'll give it a shot, and then what we'll do is we'll get Lee to have a chat with Luke with the Fiesta.
Right, okay, I'm now here with Luke. Luke is the owner of the Fiesta Cosworth powered, the rear-wheel drive one. Originally an RS Turbo, but he converted it to a Cosy a few years ago. It ain't been finished that long, so this is literally the first time he's going to take this car out and give it a go around the track. So it's very, very sketchy at the minute how it's going to go. So Luke, tell us a little bit about your car, mate.
I've owned it for a very long time. It was a normal RS Turbo that I used daily. And then, yeah, decided to chop up a Sierra, chop up a Fiesta.
Which is absolutely mental to do.
And build this. And it's it's good. I've tried to keep it as sort of a bit of a mental road car, really. So it's going to be interesting to see what it does on the track.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. The fact that it's being so short and everything, and the fact that it don't look nothing different to an RS Turbo, is good for the street. For the track side of it, it's mental.
It might turn into donut battles. Rather than track battles.
What sort of power are we running, Luke?
It mapped a couple of months ago at 354.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, quite a 354. So
yeah,
but it's on an old T35 turbo, so it's that old school power as well, where it's nothing.
Yeah.
And then throws you back in the seat.
And then all there, yeah.
So yeah, it's going to be interesting.
Yeah, definitely, mate. Yeah, it was totally different, obviously, Stu's gone for that, and it's totally different kettle of fish. It's not even sort of half a resemblance to go what's going to be what. So it's going to be absolutely, you know, you can't explain what that is to that really, can you? And
no, to be fair, I want to back myself, but
yeah,
that is mod cons, isn't it? But
no, I'm going to back your car more than you are.
I don't know. I'll try not to go too mad.
No, that's what we're here for.
We'll see what happens.
We're here to go mad.
So, as with previous MA track battles, both drivers will get a morning to practice and perfect their times. However, this time we're going to ditch the live commentary and just get stuck straight into the battles. We will overlay the footage so you can see corner by corner who's shaping up to be the fastest car. And with that, let's get straight into the first lap.
How did you get that window down? Down further, further. How did you get on?
I think I did all right, to be fair.
Did you? That second lap looked really good.
Yeah, I think I did all right.
The third one, I thought he was going to do it because you used the whole track on, especially on this side. I didn't get to watch the rest of it, obviously, further down the track. But on this side, you went straight over that curb, used it all. So you think better than the practice?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, felt confident. Yeah.
Well done, Mr. Will.
Talk to me. How did you get on?
All right.
Yeah?
He got hot on that last lap.
Oh, she's cooled down though. Yeah, it's not too bad.
I went slow on that last one.
Yeah, yeah.
Done a little cool down lap just to sit better.
How did you feel?
It was fantastic, mate.
Yeah, it was looking and sounding unreal, mate. It was sounding perfect. Hairs on the back of them, I was getting all goosebumps. Every time you come out that corner and went out straight, I was getting all goosebumps.
No, honestly, it goes really well. I'm surprised at how well it sticks in corners. It literally sticks like shit to a blanket.
You've done well. Do you think you've done better on every lap? Better, like the next lap was more better than the last one, that sort of thing, or do you think it was average? Like,
no, I think it was. No, I definitely felt like I was getting better.
Yeah,
I feel like it could do a lot more.
Yeah.
But because it got hot earlier, I was just weary. I was a bit weary. I didn't want to destroy it.
Definitely.
Yeah, I thought that.
It looked fantastic, mate. Really, really did look good. It was going around well. Yeah, definitely. No, proud of that one, mate. I'm proud of her. Most definitely.
So am I, mate. Definitely.
Cheers, mate. Well done. Spark up, mate.
Over here.
Oh, get over there.
You're over there.
Oh, mucker. Like UFC. I feel like it's UFC.
Right.
Face off. Very proud of you.
Right, so after a great day of racing,
Yes.
it's brought us to the result of the Megane versus the Fiesta. Right, let's have a guesstimate of times. What do you reckon you got? What was your best one in practice?
24, I think.
124. Do you reckon you bettered it?
I think so.
Okay. Okay.
Go on.
Go on.
Don't know, 125.
And what did you get in the first?
What, in the warm-up stuff?
Yeah.
130. So I had to let off because it decided it wanted to start.
Okay. Right, so we'll go with second place first, shall we? With a 128.57 goes to.
What are you going to do? I know you're going to do. I know you're going to do it.
So
well done, mate. Well done.
It was better than the original, and it's the first time it's been out on track. First time you've given it beans.
Yep.
Will. 122.52.
Whoa,
So you've done better.
Yeah, it was good time.
So the RACELOGIC box actually helped you with that?
Yeah, because, well, I obviously couldn't see my time when I was out there on them laps, but he told me where I could improve, and I did it.
So there you go.
Yeah.
Happy days. Well, that's the end of that battle.
Yeah.
So out of the Stevens battles, it's 1-0 to Motor
All right.
Medics.
I've got plenty.
You got plenty. You got one more.
Plenty in the tank.
You got one more.
Well, there you go. Who would have thought the Megane would beat the Fiesta? But let's see where they end up on the MA leaderboard. Will, with his 122.52, sits just behind Dave's Escort, but ahead of Luke's Fiesta, creating an interesting Cosy-powered sandwich with a French filling. Let's head back to the track now and catch up with the boys to start the video.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching another episode of MA Battles. If you can, don't do the owing thing. Just do the like, share, subscribe, comment and hit the bell, and that's it. But thank you very much, and thank you all for coming.